Hello all, we are now moving into step 3, which is our rough draft. Notice that everything in this folder is due 6:27 by 11:59 p.m. All right, so at this point we've done a lot of research on our chosen topic and now we are going to begin to write. So let's go into our rough draft. You will notice here your reading watch list. I placed the classical arrangement video in here again, just in case you needed it. You also have your APA formatting video, which is where I actually teach you APA format, how you're going to format this paper. Generally, in high school, you've learned the MLA format. Well, now we're going to learn the APA format. Then we are going to watch 4.6, applying research, and that's just how you're going to use these sources and incorporate them into your argumentative research paper. Okay, so here's the classical arrangement. Here is that APA format page. This is very, very important. This is going to show you actually what your paper is going to look like. And also down here, I give you a sample APA paper. That way here, we'll just click on it. And that way you can see what a paper needs to look like. It's not pulling up. There we are. So you're going to have your cover page, and then of course your introductory paragraphs, all the way down to your references list, which is here. Okay, so that is how you're going to do that. Now, this particular sample has a lot of extras that we are not going to do. For example, you'll see a lot of headers and subheaders. Don't worry about those. We're just going to write straight paragraphs. So these guys, don't worry about those guys. We're just going to have regular body paragraphs, okay? And of course, if you have any questions as you watch the APA format video, please email me. I'll help you in any way that I can. Also, I give you a handy-dandy APA in-text citation. When you pull direct quotes from your sources, you are going to need to cite where those came from. And you have a couple of different ways that you can do that. So here, as long as you have the last name, the publication date, and then the page number that you received the information from, as long as it is in that order, last name, publication date, page number, last name, comma, publication date, comma, page number, you are going to be in good shape. And you place those guys in parentheses. So you can mix it up, or you can just always do it in this manner. Typically what you'll see though, you'll see she stated students often had difficulty using APA style, comma, but she did not offer an explanation as to why. For the most part, and I think in most academic writing, this little bit will be found at the end of the sentence. And then your period will go after the last parenthesis, not at the end of the sentence, because this becomes a part of the sentence. Okay, but you can mix it up so you can see how that works. Also, notice on this page, that's a singular page. Say it was page 199 and 200, you would use PP period, not just the 1P. All right, so that's how you denote that. So make sure you don't put PG or PGS period. APA is funny. There's all these little funny things you need to do. But this is our rough draft outline. This is how you are going to format your assignment. So the first thing that it should include, the first thing is an APA formatted title page. You are going to do an abstract for this paper. An abstract is 150 to 200 word summary of the entire paper. You are going to do 7 body paragraphs with in-text citations from the sources that you found previously. And you are going to go ahead and complete an APA formatted reference list for your annotated bibliography. All right, and from, rather, your annotated, you'll cut and paste those citations. But this is kind of a little example of what I want those body paragraphs to look like. Of course, you're going to fill it in. Make sure that you know that a paragraph is at least 3 sentences, but hopefully you will have significantly more because you do have that 1,500 to 2,000 word minimum. We also have a rough draft check-in this week, just any problems, challenges, complications, any question that you have, somebody else probably has as well. So pop it into this rough draft check-in. Here's where you are actually going to turn in the assignment. And then again, that sample APA Purdue OWL paper. All right, so let's write these rough draft, guys. I'm excited to see what you are going to argue with your topic of choice and support your argument with those scholarly sources that we found in the previous week. And as always, if you need me, just email me. All right, hope you have a great one.